at NTU AI Club, and I'm also a founder of Tokai, a startup in the note-taking industry. I had the opportunity to briefly meet him yesterday, so this is the question that I just had the chance to ask Andrew. And I found that the software engineering workflow has been massively transformed with the OpenAI API and LangChain-based growing ecosystem of tools. And I think it might have been Guido van Rossum in like a recent interview with Lex Friedman. He said that the vast majority of the code that he writes is now conducted by generative AI. And so my question is, to what extent are large language models or prompt engineering or generative AI going to replace conventional tools and platforms such as coding for the next 10 years?
Which is why the activities today, they're actually pretty good for coding. And I think actually GP4, I find more expensive for coding than Bond also has been doing recently. There's something very interesting going on in how software is written. And I don't mean just GitHub Copilot, which is fantastic too. I think GitHub Copilot is very good at generating coding templates. But when I look at how some of my friends that work in some generating piece of code, the way I write code these days is very different from the way we used to do it 1 or 2 years ago. And I think that, and I don't mean GitHub Copilot. I mean, a few weeks ago, actually Joe and I were hacking on something for translation using LLMs. And I needed to use an NLP library that I was not familiar with. And rather than look at the documentation, I prompted Go Bond and GPT-4 to write code for me. And the code didn't work. And it just generated a template, like it didn't fix up. It just got the job done much faster than looking at the documentation myself. So there's something very interesting happening in the workflow of developers and how people are using LLMs to help write code and fix it. And sometimes you prompt the LLM to help fix the bugs in its own code. This workflow is actually not been documented systematically in any way yet without aware, but I see my friends doing this and I'm doing this myself. We're working with some partners to hopefully teach this systematically at some point that will last very soon. And I think this actually will see change. I don't think, in terms of job displacement, I don't think everyone's jobs will go away anytime soon. I know when GPT-4V was demo, take a picture of my hand-drawn front end. I know some front end developers think, wow, my job will go away. I think our jobs will not go away for a long time. Even some of the tasks we do as programmers can be automated. I think that, so there's actually one thing we can do, which is when we work with large companies, we'll often go and look at the jobs people are doing, and break the jobs down into tasks, and look at what AI can automate by analyzing tasks rather than jobs. So it turns out when people think about if you think about AI automation, you say, what can I do for programmers? People may think, oh, programmers write code, let's automate writing code. And people just think that. But it turns out when we look at the tasks that programmers does, programmers do a lot of things. We write code, we debug code, we write documentation, we communicate with other stakeholders, align requirements. This long list of tasks. There's a US government funded website called ONET that lists, I think, 17 tasks that programmers do. And someone using it to augment and automate others. And so we've actually done this analysis with many companies where we go in and analyze what are the tasks that people actually do. The tasks that are most valuable to augment and automate is actually, frankly, usually not the most obvious one. And because we do so many tasks, I think it's very happy if generative AI can augment and automate a few of these tasks, but I think it's very hard for AI to automate everything we do, which is why I'm confident programming jobs are not going away anytime soon. But I think maybe we have programmers that use AI may replace programmers that don't use AI.
It's not AI that's going to replace you, it's going to be people using it.